Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at something that wasn't really what I was expecting. A few videos back, I found this Wera screwdriver that I really liked, and this is the one. And it has this whole thing where it has like a little extendable stuff, and it has like bits. Well, so I can do it. It has bits in the handle, all kinds of good stuff. So I saw a portable, like a Wera bit holder, and I figured, what the heck, I'll order one. And sometimes things don't really turn out the way you visualize them. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. So this is it. This is the bit holder. And I don't really know what I was expecting, but I was kind of expecting something a little more than this. Now let's undo this and take a look at it. I don't know. I mean, it's like there's just like a little, it's a little nubbin thing. Let me steal one of the bits from here. I'm guessing they're the right size. Yeah, okay. So it's a little magnetic bit holder, and it's kind of small, and so I don't know what to really say about this. I mean, it's only like 12 bucks, and it doesn't seem to come with anything else. At least it didn't in the little baggie I got. I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss for this one. It's not very big. Like, for example, it's almost exactly 3 inches. So, yeah, I don't know. I feel like this thing might have a place if you like just want to carry, like, if you need maybe one bit, but I mean, it just doesn't, I don't know. Can y'all see how this would be super useful? I'm sort of stumped. I mean, maybe if you need, like, just to stick in your pocket, one screw, one thing, one bit, and one bit holder, and you can just sort of, I don't know. This was a weird one. I was not expecting it to be like that. I wasn't expecting it to be that size. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. I'll also include a link for this one if you need like a cool, awesome screwdriver that has all kinds of little bells and whistles and whatnot. And this one actually has a thing where the thing comes off too, if you're so inclined. Anyway, I guess this is one of those cautionary tales that sometimes things don't look like you expect them to look on the internet when they arrive. Anyway, let me know what you think. And let me know in the comments if you think there's any kind of super useful situations where this would come in handy. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, such as it was, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.